I know you don't know this, but the only reason your eyeshadow is not coming out very well, is not sitting properly and is breaking is because you are doing it the wrong way. Watch this video to see how I achieve this flawless bridal pigmented eyeshadow look. If you follow step-by-step procedures of how I achieve this look, I promise you that your next eyeshadow look will come out very, very well. Hi guys, my name is Tracy Choose. I'm a makeup artist based in the city of Lagos. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So first of all, always start with a eyeliner. Use your gel eyeliner as your base if you are going for a pigmented eyeshadow. I promise you, because if you want to use an eyeshadow base, it's oily. If you want to use a concealer, it's a bit oily and it dries very fast. This Karite gel eyeliner also dries very fast. In fact, it's dry faster than Lagos traffic. So what you do is that you apply it bit by bit on your lid. So when you apply it on your eyeshadow lid, then you use a fluffy brush to gently blend it. Don't spread it all over the eyes. Blend it on the area that you want to apply your pigment. Then when you see that is well blended, please don't allow it to dry. So immediately you apply it, just blend and don't pack too much. So after you are done blending, you go back again with your eyeshadow and use a very calm eyeshadow color for your transition. Like me, I used the color I used to contour my nose. I went in with a powder palette for the first transition. So this is to help you blend every crease on your eyelid. Just softly blend that. That will give you your first transition. And being that it is a bridal eyeshadow look, so I went in with my shimmer look as my first eyeshadow color. So what I do is I pick up a flat brush, but not too flat, and I wet my brush. This will help me to pick up the pigment and it will sit very well. To make your eyeshadow pigment to be very, very pigmented. Like this is a shimmy color I'm using first, and can you see how pigmented that came out? That's because one, I used a dark eyeshadow base, and also I wet my eyeshadow brush. So after you are done with the first pigment, then I now went on with my pigment glue. So you just take a little and apply on top of the eyeshadow you applied earlier on. So once you notice that is a bit dry, please take your time and spread it, but don't drag. So once you notice that has dried down, you went in with the pigment of your choice. Like this, I'm using my MK eyeshadow pigment. So can you see the way I'm using my hand? Or you can actually use a brush too, but just pick a little, then press it, not too hard so your client will not feel it. Press it gently on the eyelid. This will make the eyeshadow to sit in properly and there will not be much fallout. Can you see how pigmented this eyeshadow look is already? So once you are done, you're satisfied with the pigment that you've applied, then I went back. By the way, if you not subscribe to my channel, guys, please subscribe. Please subscribe. So once you are done, to give that eye more volume or to make it to pop out very well, I went with a dark eyeshadow and I applied that at the end of the eyelid. Yeah, as you can see me do that, I'm just gently applying it at the outer corner of the eyelid, and I'm just taking my brush a bit to apply it on my crease line. This is just to define the eyeshadow and to remove any harsh line on the crease line, and it will also deepen the eyeshadow. Can you see I'm blending the dark color into the eyeshadow pigment? So there will not be any demarcation between the eyeshadow pigment and the outer corner of the eyeshadow, guys. Just follow the process step by step and you will see that your eyeshadow will come out very well. So once you are done, I went back with the brush I used to apply my my transition color. Yeah, so I just gently blend that just to remove any fallout and make sure that it's evenly blended. So to smudge out the waterline, I went in with a nude kind of calm brown eyeshadow color, and with a flat fluffy brush, just to gently smudge that out. This will give the eyes another definition, another look. Makeup is a process. Just take your time, take the process one by one, and you will see that your look will come out very well. By the way, if you've not seen how I achieve this flawless glam, guys, the video is on my channel. So once I'm done, so I'm using that same Karite gel liner to apply on our waterline. This Karite gel liner is very affordable one, and it's very pigmented, but it also dries fast, so make sure you apply that fast enough. So I'm doing the same thing on the other eyes. Please always try and apply either the black or even if it's white on your waterline. Can you see the difference that makes? Can you see the difference? So I'm just further blending. I went in with that color I used earlier on to smudge our waterline. Guys, please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe, comment, like, please. You guys should please encourage me, please. So I'm just basically putting in the finishing touches. So once I'm done, for the mascara, I'm using the Blossom mascara. This is just to blend in our natural lashes and to remove any eyeshadow fallout on it. Guys, can you see that eyeshadow look? So over to the lashes, I'm applying the classic transparent lash glue. Guys, you can apply this directly on the eyelid. You can also apply it on the lash band. So once I'm done, I'm applying the first lash. Guys, can you see what lashes does? Can you see this makeup? Like, no single filter, no single editing. Can you see the skin work? Can you see how the makeup blends on the skin? Like, you need to watch the full video, guys. If you've not watched, please go ahead and watch, and please subscribe to my channel, guys. So once you notice that you are done, just gently use your hand to press your eyeshadow if it's not sitting properly. Also give it a lift so that the eyes will not be different. So once I'm done, I went back with my lash, what's it called, my mascara, and voila, guys, can you see the look? Can you see the eyes? Can you see that pigment? Can you see the skin work? Please like, subscribe, and follow for more. Thank you so much. I love you. Bye.